Hey Space Cadets, Lanchen here. Welcome back to Watercolor Wednesday. So I decided that I really want to start doing my acrylic pieces and watercolor pieces as well, just to kind of compare and show you guys that you can do both. They will look a little bit different, but it's fun using different mediums to try to create the same piece. So I'm going to create this reflection nebula in a watercolor version. I'm going to be using higher quality watercolors. Of course, you can use dollar watercolor palettes that you can find in your local arts and crafts store. And if you want to see all the stuff that I'm using for this video, you can find that below in the description box. I'm using a bunch of different sized watercolor brushes. To be honest though, I'll probably only end up using about 3 of these. I have a star daughter as well for my larger stars. I'll be using a light blue, a dark blue, a white, and of course black. I'll start off by painting my lightest blue first. I'm bringing in the lighter colors first because I find it easier to blend in with the dark if I bring the dark in later. And of course, you know, if you bring in darker colors first, there's no undoing it. So now I'm adding a darker blue, and I'm going to have to do this multiple times, let it dry, go over it again, and I do this so that way I get maximum color. Next, I'll bring in my black, and I will do the same thing. Paint, let it dry, paint, let it dry. I forgot to mention that the brush I am using is a larger detail watercolor brush. Time to add the stars using a smaller detail brush and dipping it into some watered down white to make starburst. And again, I'll have to do this, wait for it to dry, and go back over it again, doing the same process to make sure the starbursts turn out pretty vibrant. Now, don't hate me, but my computer became full as I was editing this video, so it would not let me transfer over the footage of me making the detailed streaks. Same process using the stars. You use watered down white and a detail brush. It's really easy. It's not something you have to see. I'm doing it right there as well. I have a little snippet of it. I also missed splashing on the stars, but I do apologize about missing that part. So here's the final comparison. The acrylic piece is on the right hand side and the watercolor is on the left. Thanks again so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at @Lanchen Designs on Instagram or Etsy. Alright, Space Cadets, I will see you next time.